Check it out.
Yes.
Here we go.
Mad
Are y'all ready?
ills. Oh.
Now when I say mad, you say ills. Mad,
Ill.
mad.
Ill.
When I say free, you say style. Free,
Style.
free.
Style.
All right, check it. I rip MCs like it's a new sport, a Metro card. That's how I get around when I'm in New York or Jersey. You heard me, unworthy. The rapper's wording. Freestyle off at the top of the dome of Derby. Destruction, freestyle. And I got these neat flows. I'm a Mexican, so I don't go to Puerto Rico. But it's okay, freestyle. Doesn't matter, you can't beat any MC. I'm the one that they can't leave. Freestyle. It doesn't matter, but I'm clever. That's the world's smallest roach and a pin ever that I've ever seen. Ripping everything, extra clean, in the in-between. Doesn't matter, I spit it mean. Freestyle, it doesn't matter when I'm ripping wild, ensuring the arts for any given child. That's what it says on the business card. You can guarantee that I'm dope and I'm spitting bars. Freestyle, doesn't matter, I'm important. I remember tapes we used to put paper in it to record it. Remember that? A little piece of paper, maybe some tape, and I used to record it later. The thunderstorm freestyle, doesn't matter, and that's it. I don't like Rick Ross because he wears chapstick. And I'm a grown man, freestyle off the top of the dome, and this is my own land. Doesn't matter, I'm hard to be Spartan. I'm like Boba Fett, but nah, that was a picture of Marvin the Martian. It didn't show up, and that's my DJ. Your phone's not working right, I guarantee, because it's a prepaid. Psych, I'm just playing off of the top of the dome. You know that I'll be spraying MCs. Elmer G. Kaufman. I will put any MC in the coffin often. I will uppercut you. You will probably land in Austin, Texas. Remember the Mexican, I could wreck it. I will steal your necklace for a pack of peppers. Trade it in. Freestyle. I hold them up. And after this, we could probably roll up the slowest Dutch. Nah, MCs are tested. It's hard, kid. When I started, I had to spark it. Freestyle in the worst way. Then I got the flame going and blew it out like it was my birthday. Make a wish. Take a dish, say goodnight, know that I am nice when I play the wrist. Freestyle, not a plagiarist. Bama, the off the top, this girl says she's from Alabama. I know these cats from Atlanta. I put them in a hamper, run track wheels like a hamster. Anybody else could catch it, bad grammar, no cat. And I have to bash them first. What are you trying to show me over here with your flannel shirt? I got the key to unlock it, freak in your pocket. Freestyle off at the top of the dome, he's leaving like rockets. Who fly? The next guy, never stenciled. Grip you hard and never use a pen and pencil. Doesn't matter, y'all can't stop me. This is what Sylvester Stallone was using in Rocky when he was training. My name is Mad Ills, that's my time.